In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Brevo to N8N. Whether you're new to automation or just looking to extend your current workflows, integrating Brevo with N8N can streamline your email marketing and workflow automation, making them a perfect match. To kick things off, you'll need to start by creating a new workflow in N8N. When you log into your N8N account, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you can see any existing workflows you've previously set up. To begin a new one, simply click on the Create button, often marked with a plus icon. This will open up a blank canvas where we can start building our automation. Next, it's time to add the Brevo trigger node. Nodes are the building blocks of N8N workflows, and each node is responsible for a specific task. In this case, the Brevo trigger node will be responsible for initiating our workflow based on specific events happening in Brevo. To do this, navigate to the Nodes panel on the left side of your screen. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar to quickly find Brevo Trigger. Once you locate it, click to add it to your workflow canvas. After you have the Brevo Trigger node on your canvas, you need to specify what kind of events you want to listen for. This step is crucial as it dictates when and how your N8N workflow will be triggered. Within the Brevo trigger node, you should see an option to select event types. This might come in a drop-down menu format, which displays options such as email opened or email sent. Choose the event type that aligns with your workflow's goal. For example, if you aim to track how recipients are interacting with your emails, selecting email opened would make sense. On the other hand, if you are more focused on the logistics of your email delivery, email sent could be the better choice. Once your event type is selected, remember to review your configuration to ensure everything is correct. It's always a good idea to double-check your selections to avoid any mishaps later when the workflow runs. After confirming everything is set up to your liking, you can start the workflow to test if it's working properly. To test, simply send an email or have someone engage with your emails in Brevo, depending on the event you chose, and see if the N8N workflow is triggered as expected. This setup provides powerful automation potential. By leveraging these tools, you can automate responses, data tracking, or whatever your specific needs may be, making your marketing efforts both efficient and effective. With Brevo and N8N working together, you're one step closer to mastering the art of workflow automation. Thanks for following along, and happy automating.